Namaste friends. Today I would like to discuss about a situation where there is food available, some junks, some sweets, some cakes, whatever the individual likes at home. And he has a craving to consume them. But then he is having the cold and cough symptoms. So how do we handle this? We should not suppress cravings also, right? Whatever emotions and cravings we have, we should never suppress because that will again cause a stress on our body. So in this situation, what we should do is, if we really feel like consuming that junk, just go for it because we have the craving, and if we don't eat that, we will keep on, our mind keeps on going there. I did not eat, I want to eat, and such feelings we will have. So better we just consume it, fulfill our craving, but then with awareness understand that if I consume it, this is going to happen. There will be increase of mucus, there will be more cough, so all those symptoms will increase. So have that in awareness, and having that in mind, the effect of your action, that whatever you're going to consume is going to lead. So with that awareness you consume. So that's what we should do. So anytime when you have craving for these unwanted processed foods, what we should do is, instead of suppressing them and again making our mind go for them again and again, just consume it, finish off the craving once and for all, realize and have awareness of the effects of those foods on our body. So gradually with time what happens is, we will have that awareness. So this is going to happen, and we'll also experience, right, as once we consume, we will also experience the result that it is going to show on our body. So gradually with time, when this cycle continues, we will realize, and a day comes when we will not feel like eating. Why should we eat and again suffer? We can simply avoid suffering by not eating those things. So that clarity will come. So till the day comes, just enjoy your junk foods or the foods you like, which are actually not good for your body, but then just go for it and finish off the cravings, but with awareness. Thank you all so much.